Hello kids, welcome back to Giggle and Grow. Why do we sneeze? Did the thought ever come to your mind? In today's video, we learn why do we sneeze? Is sneezing healthy?
Great question. Sneezing is actually our body's way of getting rid of things that irritate our nose. When something like dust or pollen gets into your nose, it irritates the sensitive lining. This sends a message to your brain.
Can sneezing help us stay healthy?
Absolutely. Sneezing helps clear out germs and irritants, keeping our nose clean.
So sneezing is actually pretty cool. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.